Here comes the cold. Break out the winter clothes and find a love to call your own. You enter you. Your cheeks a shade of pink, and the rest of you powder blue. Who knows why we'll be, but I'll make you this guarantee. See, no way November will see our goodbye. When it comes to December, it's obvious why no one wants to be alone at Christmas time. In the dark, on the phone, you tell me the names of your brothers and your favorite colors. I'm learning you. And when it snows again, we'll take a walk outside and search the sky. I say to you, no way November will see our goodbye. When it comes to December, it's obvious why no one wants to be alone at Christmas time. Come January, we're frozen inside, making new resolutions 100 times. February, won't you be my Valentine? And we'll both be safe till St. Patrick's Day.